we're going to show you how to take many photos and put them on a single printed page and then print them to a file, not to a paper output, and then send me that file. And again, this is for the 20 by 40 assignment, but it can be used for any other time you'd like to combine more than one images on a single page or a single file. So we're going to start and move over to the print module, and I'll use my sample images down here and pretend I have my 20 images from the assignment today. Now you can see that only one image is on the page at this time. What we're going to go ahead and do is come down on our print module to page grid, and I'm going to put in 4 rows by 5 columns, and that's going to give me 20 pictures. Now the next thing I have to do is select the photos. So I'm going to either control click or shift click to put 20 pictures into my grid here. There we go, a little bit of problems, but we have 20 pictures in. What I can do now is go ahead and adjust, if I need to adjust the margins so the pictures look like they are cropped more the way that we actually did them. I'll adjust the top and the bottom to make the pictures look even. You can see they're taking the pictures that are in portrait mode and they're putting them in proper orientation. You could zoom to fill. You can move around the individual photos if you want. I think you pretty much want to just have your entire photo there, just as long as we've combined them all. You can change the border around the prints if you like. I'll just go ahead and stay with white. If you need to change the background, you have that option too. I'd suggest that you put an identity plate in. You can edit your identity plate if you need to. Let's turn that on. You can click edit if you need to do that. And the identity plate is placed down at the bottom. You can override the color to have it show up better. And there we have 20 photos from your 20 by 40 project on one page. All you need to do now is print it. Here's the critical part. You're not printing to the printer, you're printing to a JPEG file. We can go ahead and, well, we'll leave resolution at the same. That should be fine. Put your JPEG quality down to about 80 for this. And go ahead and say print to file. And it'll ask you where you want it printed. Put down 20 by 40. Say save. Now it takes a little bit of time to render because remember it's rendering every single image. Bringing it down to size and putting it in the grid. So when you're finished with this, you'll have that file on your desktop with 20 pictures on one particular file. And again, this is a great way to hand in this assignment, but it's also a neat way to combine photos in other assignments so you have more than one picture on a particular image. Just while this is working away, I do want to show you that you can do some background overrides to make the whole background look different. Need to. There's white. Let's go with something else. There you go. So lots of options with this, and a great way to turn in this assignment.